Hey guys, this is Heidi, and today I'm going to talk about March for DACA and TS. And I'm going to talk about this issue because I'm actually a DACA recipient, so this is really important to me. So for those of you that don't know what DACA is or TPS, I'm gonna emphasize what it is. So DACA is Deferred Action for Childhood, and the Obama era program provided deportation protection and work permits to around 700,000 young undocumented immigrants brought to the United States children. So I'm one of those. And the TPS is temporary protected status. Temporary status given to eligible nationals of designated countries who are present in the United States. The status offers to nationals from one country affected by conflict or natural disasters allows persons to live and work in the United States for limited time. So DACA and TPS have been around for many years now, since Obama was in office. So President Trump came in, and when he came in, he decided that he was gonna take these two programs out, completely eliminate them. So that means that all these people that are under these programs are gonna be deported or no longer be able to work, no longer be able to have a license, no longer be able to be in the United States safely. There was a march called Home Here. So on November 12th, thousands of people joined to rally in front of the support. It was a large crowd of Democrat demonstrators who came from different states, including New York, Florida, and California. Um, they were there in the cold and rainy weather on the steps of the Supreme Court, and they were chanting at times in English and Spanish, "Si se can." And I think that they did this to show that there are so many people that will be away. And I think it's important to realize that all these dreamers or TPS people, they're actually contributing to our economy. A lot of the dreamers, they're either doctors or teachers, they're nurses, they're lawyers. So a lot of them within the United States. And one thing to keep in mind about dreamers is that honestly, a lot of them have to go through a severe background because DACA is renewed every 2 years, and you have to pay a fee of about $500 to obtain your DACA, and you have to be fingerprinted. You can't have more than three misdemeanors, and you can't have a criminal background in order to be accepted. I know TPS also goes through a lot of being fingerprinted. So these programs, honestly, if you have any type of criminal background, you're not eligible or even able to apply for it. To us or to me, it's a relief to have this program or to have DACA because I'm able to drive and I'm able to enroll in school and I'm able to have a job as well. So, the Supreme Court, her arguments on Tuesday on Trump's administration challenged the Bloc administration from ending the program, which President Donald Trump announced he would do it in 2017. For the conservative justice, so it was Clarence Thomas and Nail and Brett, appear likely to side with the Trump administration and agree the program would have been needs to be properly shut down. Justice Sotomayor said the administration needs to explain their decision to shut down DACA. This is about a choice to destroy lives, said Sotomayor. So we see that we see that four of the consecutive justices are going on Trump's side, and they're saying like, yes, we should shut the program. But the thing, valid information of why we should shut the program or why the shut down. So I think that it leaves us kind of in limbo because we don't really know. Like, you're a DACA recipient, if you're a TPS recipient, you really don't know what happened. For me, this is a huge issue, and it's an issue that has been going on for a long time because they're trying to pass the Dream Act, which is a legal status for dreamers since 2012, and nothing has been done, and it seems like nothing will be done at this point. It's a really important issue and it's something that we need to keep in mind.